Welcome back to Working Title Models, where we build, review, and bring scale models to life. Today, we're taking a look at Italeri 1/35th scale LCVP, kit number 6441, the Higgins boat. This is one of the most important small craft of World War II, used to land troops during amphibious operations across Europe and the Pacific. Let's get into it. We are also going to compare the Italeri LCVP to the classic Limburg kit, so you can see exactly how far these kits have come. History. The LCVP for Landing Craft Vehicle Personnel was developed by Andrew Higgins. It could carry troops or a light vehicle and deploy them directly onto a beach using its front ramp, a key innovation in amphibious warfare. These boats were used during D-Day, Pacific Island campaigns, amphibious operations throughout World War II. Old versus new, Limburg comparison. If you've been in the hobby for a while, you might remember the old Limburg LCVP kit. That kit comes from the classic era of model building, and it shows. Here's the key difference. Limburg, older toy era tooling, simplified detail, around 1/32nd scale. Some versions included working features. Italeri, 1/35th scale, fits modern figures and accessories, better proportions and accuracy, more detailed interior, designed as a true scale model. The biggest issue with the Limburg kit is accuracy. The hull proportions and shape are often described as off. So while it has nostalgia value, the Italeri kit is a better choice for a realistic build. Simple takeaway. Limburg equals nostalgia build, Italeri serious scale model. Kit overview. Inside the box you get a single piece hull, bow ramp and internal structure, armament, and crew figures. The single piece hull is a real advantage. It simplifies the build and avoids major seam cleanup. The open interior gives you a lot of flexibility for figures, cargo, and weathering. Fit in detail. This is not a brand new tool, but it builds well. Expect light cleanup, straightforward assembly, solid overall fit. Focus your effort on ramp alignment, interior surfaces, visible edges. The kit really comes alive during painting. What other modelers say. Across sources like IPMS, Fine Scale Modeler, Armorama, common feedback. Pros: great subject, excellent for dioramas, easy to build. Cons: older tooling, some simplified detail. Aftermarket like Edward can improve detail further. Painting and weathering. Base scheme: standard medium gray, black below waterline. Royal Navy: pale green, Western approaches style, white, black, and black below the waterline. Keep the green light and faded, not olive drab. Weathering ideas. Ramp chipping, sand and mud buildup, rust streaks, salt staining, worn deck traffic areas. Final thoughts. The Italeri LCVP is a great kit built around an iconic subject. Compared to the older Limburg version, it's a clear step forward in accuracy, detail, usability. And with the right finish, it becomes a standout display piece. Outro. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And remember, we're not just building models, we're bringing them to life.